Here we go. We are setting sail. Backing out. And we're going to go on a river cruise. We're making our way over to Disney Springs as we speak. And this is Rhino on the water. The Rhino is on the water. Don't make me come out to your sons and daughters. We're leaving. We're going to make it over to Port Orleans Riverside. Nice little river cruise. Port Orleans, I think French Quarter's over there. Their mom. We're going to make our way over to Disney Springs. Nice little creek right here. Before you guys ask, yes, they do have gators and snakes in here. We're going to this bridge right here. I am the Rhino. The artful Rhino. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Ring that notification bell for further information when it's soon to drop. Or if you're interested in seeing new content. Today will be our third full day in the Disney World area. Hey, back there, if you see any, let me know. I got my camera ready. People behind us looking for gators. Somebody's over here walking their dog. I miss my dogs. May, Scuppy, Little Pete. Looks like we're coming up on one of our stops. Coming up on a bridge. Little rolled bridge. Now these boats right here, they run every 15 minutes. So you get these people to wave at us. Wait, people, come on. Yeah, that guy in the Mickey sure knows what's up. She's like, wait, wait. She's not waving. Beautiful day out. See if we go on the bench. Hey, there we go. That guy knows what's up. The architecture of these buildings are something else. Kids waving. I love saying hi to people.
Welcome to the French Quarter. This is our first stop. If you're going to Disney Springs, please remain on board. That'll be our next stop. For your safety, please remain seated. If you're standing, hold on to a handrail, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. Please wait for the all clear before you head ashore. If you need to return to Riverside from the French Quarter, boats are every 15 minutes until 10:30 p.m., weather permitting. There's also a walking path to our right that you can follow to get back by foot. If you're going to Disney Springs, once again, we'll be headed there shortly, so just remain on the boat.
In case you guys missed that, this is the French Quarter of Port Orleans. Mom and I just got picked up at Riverside.
What's you up to?
25.
Let's see. There's King Triton right there. Nice little area. There's Mickey Life Vest instructions in case anybody wants to see these. Okay, let's move off here at Riverside. And we're gonna proceed on to Disney Springs. Nice little river tour. Pale King Triton, King of the Seven Seas. So, letting some people off here at the French Quarter, or at French Quarter. So these people can. How y'all doing? Place did wonderful. This boat's either just pulling in or getting ready to go out. They're going out. So, nice little river boats.